I'm gonna break down the Jive Basic for you from head to your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just kidding. I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity, and today we are doing the Jive Basic. Now, what makes Jive so exciting are those high knees. And so much more fun anyway. So, before you start thinking, hey, I'm not gonna be able to get those because they look so crazy hard, don't worry, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your knees pumping. But first up, let's check out the Jive Basic Footwork. Start with your weight on the left foot, then you do a rock back on the right. Replace to the left and the side on the right, close, side. Then you go back to the left, to the side, close the right, and a side step to the left. Let's see that one more time. And rock back on the right, replace to the left and the side, close, side on the right, and the side, close, side on the left. Now it's very important to be very clear on exactly where your balls are. Balls of your feet.
More about that later.
First, I want to talk about the knees. What are the knees doing? Latin dancing, a lot of other dances, cha-cha, rumba, in international style, you have what? Straight knees, right? Straight knees. Now, in Jive, we're going to soften those knees. As you take your step back in a rock, you're actually going to land with a softness in the knee, and then you straighten through the foot. Then as you replace onto the left, you have a soft left knee. As you straighten, you get your weight all over that foot. To the side, again, a soft knee, soft to straight. Soft, soft, soft to straight. And again, okay? So back, soften your knee, then extend your knee. Softness, straighten. Have a slight bend in the knee as you then straighten on your last step. And the side, softness, and then a straighten through the leg. We've got to check out where your balls and your heels are going, because the clearer your footwork is, the better a dancer you are. The way we use our feet is when we go back in a rock, we're stepping on the ball of the foot, then as we straighten the knee, we're going into the heel. And then as you replace back onto your front foot, you're going into the ball first as your knees bend, and as you straighten your knee, you're going into the heel. As your back heel then releases. Now you're gonna go to the side, and only the ball of the foot. The heel does the lower. Touches the ground. You're gonna keep the ball of the foot as you bring the other ball of your foot. So both heels are up momentarily. Then you go to the side again, you go ball, then you lower the heel as you straighten the leg. All right, so ball, 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 heel. Again, we go ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, 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 heel, ball, 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 heel. It helps you to verbalize something as you're learning. Say along with me. Come on, don't be shy. And ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, 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 heel, ball, 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 heel. We're also going to get to those high knees, aren't we? But not just yet. Let's dance this to music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2.
Women wanna love me and they call my name. Ain't no candle, I'm a red hot flame. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm an ugly woman's dream. Baby, you're lucky, have a man like me. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm an ugly woman's dream. Baby.
I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity, and I will see you in the next video. Oops, I think I still have to show you the high knees, don't I? Alright, for the high knee action, the high knee happens right after the rock, right before the triple step. So the knee's gonna come up right before you go into a side together side. Then right here, your knee is gonna come up. Then you go into your side chasse. So a little faster it goes. Rock, step up, triple step up, triple step. So it's like a little hiccup within the triple step rhythm, right? So to pick those knees up, basically, it's quite simple. You just lift your knee directly up to about hip height. Then you drop it down. So just practice this action. So standing on your left leg, bring your right knee up and then lower. Keep a soft bend in your left knee. All right, right knee up and lower. Up and lower, up and lower. Nice. It actually helps. I find it helpful to use the hand, like a conductor. All right, pulling that right knee up and then down. Up and down. Now let's practice the left side. I'll show it to you from the back side on the left. Now you're standing on your right. So wait, before you pick the knee up, make sure you have a bend in your right knee. Then your left knee comes up to hip height and then lower again. Comes up and lower, up and lower, up and lower, up and lower. Yeah, really nice. So now let's do it together with the chasse. So you go into your rock step, rock, step. From here you have a bend in your left leg, right? So as you straighten through your left leg, you're gonna pick your right knee up. Then you're gonna bend into your left knee as you go into your side together, side. So right knee is bent, and then as you straighten your right knee, your left knee is gonna come up. Then you drop it down to go into your side chasse. And one more time, slightly different angle. You go rock, step, pick your right knee up, triple step. Your left knee up, triple step. And again, rock, step, right knee up, triple step, left knee up, triple step. Now, when you practice the high knees, I just want you to be very patient with yourself, okay? Because it comes with that slow practice until you get the muscle memory. So you don't want to go, oh, the fast music, and then you start to like, you know, instead of bringing the knee up, you start to kick the football. That's what happens a lot. People think, oh, it's a kick. We also call these kicks, right? You want your knee to come straight up and straight down, okay? So that there is no like sort of like flicking action behind or forward, that you just bring it up and down, up and down. So pick it up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. There you go. That's your high knee action. And that was Jive. I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity. Thank you for joining me for this Footwork Friday, and we have lots of exciting stuff planned coming up. So exciting! I can't tell you what they are because you've just got to subscribe to our channel to get notified if you haven't already done it. And give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!